In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a combo box in Microsoft Access. A combo box is a drop-down list that lets users pick a value instead of typing it, which speeds up data entry and reduces errors. We'll use the built-in wizard because it sets everything up for you with just a few clicks. Start by opening your database and locating the form where you want the drop-down to appear. In the navigation pane, right-click the form and choose Design View. Design View gives you access to layout tools and controls, which is exactly what we need. Next, look at the Form Design tab on the ribbon and make sure Use Control Wizards is turned on. This is important. With the wizard enabled, Access will guide you through the setup automatically. If you don't see the wizard later, come back and confirm this toggle is on. Now add the control. In the Controls group, click Combo Box, then click on the form where you want the drop-down to sit. As soon as you place it, the Combo Box wizard should pop up and walk you through the configuration. Your first choice is the data source. The most common option is I want the Combo Box to look up values from a table or query, which pulls items from an existing table in your database, like customers. If you're building a small, fixed list that won't change, you can choose to type your own values. Pick the option that fits your scenario and click Next. If you chose a table or query, select it from the list. Then choose which fields you want to display in the dropdown, such as a customer name. You can include multiple fields if you want a richer display, but make sure the primary identifying field is included. Click Next. You can optionally set sorting like alphabetical A to Z so users can find values quickly. Choose your sort and continue. Next, decide what should happen when someone selects a value. Store that value in a field is the best choice for data entry because it writes the selection to the underlying table. Alternatively, use it to find records. Lets you use the combo box as a quick search tool to navigate among existing records. Pick the one you need and click Next. Finish up by naming your combo box clearly, so it's easy to find later in the property sheet. Click Finish, then save your form. That's it. You now have a drop-down list that users can select from instead of typing, and when linked to a table, it behaves like a reliable lookup field that keeps your data consistent.